So here's what's inside your hot water heater. I drain the hot water heater into pantyhose. I normally do, just to be able to collect all of the crap. And this is what's in there. It ranges from the size of sand to broken off pieces of seashell in terms of size, but it's consistency of sort of like wet sand with a gooey center like that. That's much more sticky than normal sand. You can see it just, but this is just from running the thing for 4 hours, and I do it every 6 months. So this is what's inside your hot water heater if you don't drain it. And you know, if you don't filter it, you end up drinking this stuff. So it's obviously not, I wouldn't say deadly to you, but it is pretty nasty, and it stays in your fixtures, in your aerators, and your tiny orifices that are inside of plumbing fixtures now with low flow. So there's another, I guess, PSA to drain out your hot water heater.